Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chimpa Masigre Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatingin natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of August 22 hanggang August 28 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kayang kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagi ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil heto na ang reading mo for the sign of Sagi. So ano kaya yung pinaka-messages sa'yo ng ating Angel Spirit? Let's see guys. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Sagittarius. And there is a Queen. Okay, the Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation. And of course, there's a Five of Cups in reverse. So, ibig sabihin, there's a recovery. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng fulfillment dito. And of course, there's a judgment call. Ibig sabihin, there's a red flag or there's wake-up call or awakening for you. There's information na maghahatid sa iyo ng information. Okay, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's the Six of Pentacles. Wow. Magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances sa'yo. No? There's a giving and receiving. Or may mga bagay na parang there's a gift. No? And of course, there's a gift from the universe. Sinasabi sa inyo na magtutuloy-tuloy na araw about sa finances mo. And of course, there's a Page of Swords. There's an intuition. Oh. And there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Kumbaga, there's an information na parang proposal or there's an offer. No? And there's, wait lang po guys. Thank you, Tita. Okay. So, let's see. What is the Page of Pentacles? Okay, there's a Knight of Wands. No, there's a slow and steady. Ibig sabihin, mamamanifest mo tong bagay na to. Hindi mo kailangan maging padalas-dalas, no? Kumbaga, ang mabagal ang process, mabagal ang progress, it's normal. What is the Five of Cups in reverse? So, there's a Knight of Swords, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, maaaring mawawala yung worries sa magkakaroon ka ng recovery. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na takot ka sa disappointment, takot ka sa rejection. And of course, sinasabi na Knight of Sword, kumbaga, wag ka mag-isip, not let go of fear. Alisin mo daw yung pangamba, ang takot, pag-iisip. There's a sleepless night. Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka makapag-isip. What is the judgment? And of course, there's an Eight of Cups, no? Letting go, getting away from the situation. Or it's either moving on. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a wake-up call na kailangan mo na mag-move on sa isang situation. Okay, what is the Six of Pentacles? What is the Six of Pentacles? Okay, there's a Four of Swords. There's an information. Kumbaga, magdadala sa'yo ng information na yan by your intuition. Your psychic abilities. Your dreams. Kumbaga sa panaginip, sa intuition, sa vision. So, ayun yung ibibigay sa yung information. Kung paano, or let's see, sinasabi na makinig ka sa inner voice mo. What is the Page of Swords? Get mo information. Okay. There is a Knight of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, there's a practicality. Itong information na to na kailangan mong malaman o kailangan mong alamin ay ang maging practical, no? Hindi lahat ng offer tinatanggap. What is the Knight of Cups? So, kailangan i-alamin mo muna, Hindi ka pwede magpadalos-dalos dito. Alamin mo kung ano yung offer na yan. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands, there's a new beginning, and there's success. Kumbaga, magtatagumpay ka dito kung anong offer na to, pero kailangan mo re-evaluate, i-analyze sa situation. What is the Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands? What is the Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands? Okay, there's the Sun card. There's a pure positivity. Kumbaga, there's a new fresh ideas, new insights, or sinasabi sa'yo dito na magtatagumpay ka, there's a success coming your way, pero there's a slow and steady. No, kalma lang. Tuloy-tuloy. What is the Five of Cups in reverse and the Knight of Swords? Okay, there's a the Moon card, there's a truth reveal. Ibig sabihin dito, marami kang malalaman. Or there's a dreams, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka bukas ang diwa mo sa gabi, sa madaling araw. Kumbaga, bakit hirap kang makatulog sa gabi? There's something wrong. There's a negative energy na hinahata ka. It means marami kang there's a negative thoughts, no? May mga iniisip ka na hindi appropriate dapat at hindi karapat dapat. So, sinasabi ng the Moon card, there's some secrets or there's some hidden agenda or there's some hidden tendencies na may mga bagay na malalaman mo. What is the Judgment and the Eight of Cups? There's the Hangman. You're feeling pause. You're feeling hang. You're feeling stuck. No? Hindi ka makamove on sa isang situation. Bakit kaya? This is the time. Parang sinasabi na awakening, wake up call. Gumising ka na sa katotohanan na kailangan mo nang kumawala o umalis sa isang situation. Hindi panghabang buhay na kailangan ilaan mo yung sarili mo dyan sa pagkalugmok na yan. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Four of Swords? Titingnan natin kung it's all about kumbaga it's about relationship or something. Then there's a Ten of Wands. There's a lot of obligations, responsibilities. Sinasabi dito na there's a give and take, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito nagkakaroon na ng tulungan ngayon. What is the Page of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles? Or sinasabi na kailangan makipagtulungan, no? Kailangan tutulungan ka, tutulungan mo din. Ganon. There's a giving and receiving something. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang, hindi lang pwedeng laging ikaw. Kasi there's a Four of Swords na mapapagod ka. Kailangan mo ng pahinga. No? And of course, sinasabi ng Page of Swords and of course, the Knight of Pentacles, there's a Chariot card. Maraming parating. No? There's a maraming parating na pagbabago and it's time to take an action. At the same time, the Knight of Cups and of course, the Ace of Wands, clarification na Seven of Pentacles, there's a harvest time. Itong offer na to, magdadala sa inyong beginning, magkakaroon ka ng harvest time at magkakaroon ka ng profit dyan. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, what is the outcome? What is the... Okay, dito muna pala tayo. The Judgment, the Eight of Cups and the Hangman, King of Cups. See, there's a devoted and supportive person. Kumbaga, hindi ka maka-move on kasi parang may mali Kasi parang feeling mo, itong tao na to mahal na mahal ka. Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? Parang biglang bitaw, biglang nagbago. Kasi, ito nga, feeling lutang siya, Lutang din tong tao na to. No? Okay, sige ko nga, kung there's a black magic involved. Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ibig sabihin dito, parang nagkaroon ng scam. Ini-scam ka ng tao na to. May something scam dito. Parang scam ka na malaking pera, ganun. What is the total outcome? And there's, I told you, di ba? Backstabbing. Rider ka. And there's a Queen of Pentacles. So, see, I told you, it's an X. Rider ka ng X, no? Kumbaga, kinuha nitong malaking pera na to, in-scam ka nito, no? There's a scam. Kumbaga, parang binackstabbing ka nitong tao na to. So, what is the Love Oracle card? Kaya parang hindi mo matanggap, no? Stress ka. And there's a talking. And there is the Phoenix. So, ibig sabihin dito para kang pinatay at para ka talagang um, inubos sa'yo lahat, ganon. Ngayon, usap-usapan ka na, chinichismis ka ng iba. There's a coffee cup and saltmate. Oh, ibig sabihin dito, some of you guys, ha, parang nagkaroon talaga ng traidoran dito, no? Kumbaga, parang something plan. Parang ganon. Parang nasa sense ka na, there's a plan. Kumbaga, and of course, the soulmate connection, there's a partnership. There's a partnership and soul contract. Para nagkaroon ng pag-uusap talaga. Okay, pero there's a soulmate daw Soulmate na mayroong makikilala. No? May makikilala kang bago. Ito yung matagal mo na inantay. Na sana makilala ko na siya. No? So what is the what is the angel's messages? What is the angel's messages? So there's a violet, spirituality and wisdom. Meditate. Kailangan mo daw mag-meditate. And there's an harvest time, Berta, autumn preparation, no? There's an harvest time. And there's a spiritual activation. Ibig sabihin dito, mukhang tatala sa pakiramdam mo. Mukhang lalakas ang intuition and vision mo. So what is Archangel Michael messages? So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And of course, this situation already resolved. So, ibig sabihin na resolve na natapos na itong problema na to na pinagdadaanan mo. And of course, what is additional messages? A new beginning and fresh start, no? Maaaring magsisimula ng panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, dalawa. Write about your thoughts and feelings. So, ibig sabihin, makinig ka na sa yung inner voice. Ito, yung inner voice, yung gut feeling mo, na parang there's something wrong. May ginawang kabalustugan o may ginawa. Kaya pala nagkaroon dito ng panghihinayang or doubt, no? Parang nagkaroon ng hinayang ka o nasayang yung mga ganito, ganyan. And there's a truth reveal. Malalaman mong katotohanan. And there's a pay attention to your dreams, no? Kumbaga, kailangan ngayon nag-focus ka na sa kung ano man ang meron ka, kung ano man ang pangarap mo. Diyan ka na tumutok. Madala ka na, no? And there's a perseverance, no? Magtiyaga ka. Pagtiyagaan mo ulit yung there's a miracle. Mayroon naman palang hope, no? May pag-asa. There's a miracle, represent a pag-asa. Pagtiyaga ka lang. So, what is additional messages? Okay, there's a book, no? Kumbaga, ito na nga, no? Parang, it's a part of your journey na maranasan yan kasi parang magiging kwento na lang yan, no? Parang life purpose mo yan eh. Talagang kailangan mo talagang maranasan yan. And of course, bring love in this situation. Kailangan mahalin mo yung sitwasyon mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, nothing is yet set in stone. So, hindi pa napapanahon. So, kung ano man ang meron ka, damdamin mo at namnamin mo yan. Kung ano man ang masakit na yung part na nangyari sa buhay mo. Kasi, ayun yung magsisilbing kalakasan mo sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Come to me, all you have the labor and heavy laden, and I will give the rest. See? Lahat daw na mabibigat, ibigay mo raw kay God, bitawan mo at lumapit ka sa Kanya. At maaring gumaang ang loob mo. What is the angel's number? And there's a 31. I am disciplined. Your approach to life is an effective mix of emotion, practical, and imaginations. Your mind is steering with the creative ideas and you have the organization skills to manifest them to life. Ibig sabihin dito, maging disiplinado ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Siguro hindi na naging problema mo no? Nawala ka sa disiplina. Or baka may dumidisiplina sa'yo, hindi ka nakikinig. May nag-advise sa'yo, hindi ka nakinig. What is the messages of life? Okay. Stand tall and strong. I told you, pinapalakas at pinapatibay ka nga. Kaya mo naranasan yan kasi para hindi mo para madala ka na at matauhan ka na sa mga nangyari sa'yo. Now, today I choose to remain positive. I face all my challenges with strength and courage. I will not be denied to turn away. I do not allow myself to be carried away by negative thoughts. I stand tall and strong and I live each moment in a joy and peace, living my future in God's hands. I believe in life because life believe in me. Alam mo, naniniwala ka na kung ano man yung para sa'yo ay para sa'yo. Kumbaga, binilit mo kasing makuha yung mga bagay na hindi para sa'yo. Kaya parang nasobrahan, no? Yung pagbibigay, nasobrahan yung pagmamahal, nasobrahan yung mga ganito. Kumbaga, bigyan mo ng disiplina at bigyan mo ng limitasyon, bigyan mo ng balanse, no? Kaya mo rin siguro yung naranasan para maranasan mo at malaman mo kung anong kalagahan ng bawat bagay-bagay, no? Ibig sabihin dapat nakinig ka sa inner voice mo. It's a part of your life na dapat nakinig ka rin dapat sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, minsan dapat makikinig ka para maunawaan mo na may mga bagay na ginagawa ka na hindi na tama. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of August 22 hanggang August 28 for the sign of Sagittarius. So sagi. Maraming salamat for your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!